Our team does an amazing job at providing really great full service information regarding full arch dental treatment. Beginning from the phone call, our patients are well informed of all their treatment options. An all-on-4 is when you have all your teeth removed. The teeth are then replaced by 4, 5, or 6 implants placed into your bone, into your jaw, which preserves the bone as well as your facial structures. Once those implants have healed, then we place a prosthetic on top of those implants to restore you to a natural, healthy, beautiful smile. Our team here uses the latest and the best technology available to place accurate, precise implants that are fully loaded, in most cases on patients the same day. We use our CT scanner to take the digital images that we need in order to provide surgical guides. We use a state-of-the-art, highly accepted, wonderfully manufactured prosthetics, and that combination with our skills here provide the best care for our patients. Full mouth treatments can be very complex. Patients that have many missing teeth, patients that have gum disease, patients that are losing their teeth are excellent candidates for a full arch treatment. Patients that have no teeth, currently wearing dentures, that would like to enjoy food in a different way, the way they used to, are exceptional candidates as well. All-on-4s or full arch treatments are game changers for people. It's not just changing their smile, it's changing their life. And here at Pearl Dental Associates, we feel very honored and privileged to be able to do that. It's probably the one thing that I've done in dentistry that has really given me the ability to change not just the person that's sitting in my chair, but their entire family. Giving somebody their smile back, giving somebody their integrity, power to be who they really wanted to be. It's really, really special for somebody like us at Pearl Dental. If you're looking for full arch dentistry, you know anything about all-on-4s, you want to make sure you come here for a free consultation. We'd love to meet you, and we're happy to help.